JB the road runner, hey. From the county line to the city glow. Sports team, church folk, family reunions. If you riding, then you already know I'll get you there safe. I'll get you there on time. From the back row laughs to the front seat grind. I'm JB the road runner. Tell me where you're going and I'll drive.
What's going on, everybody? This is JB the road runner. I got another video for you all today. This video I shot with a pair of smart glasses that I have, and it is of me doing a shuttle for the International Association of Firefighters. They are having their 58th convention here in Arlington, Texas, and this is part of the shuttle that I'm doing. In this video, I picked up some members at the DoubleTree Hotel, and I'm taking them to the Arlington Convention Center where they will participate in the events for that day. Now, as you all can see on this route, I do end up going into the Arlington Entertainment District. So you will see some of the things that are in that district, which is Six Flags. You will also see Globe Life Field. You will see Choctaw Stadium. You will see Texas Live. You will also see AT&T Stadium. And as we're going out, the last thing I believe you all will see would be the National Medal of Honor Museum. And on a personal note, it was a tremendous honor to be taking these first responders, these heroes, around to the hotel and to the convention center. They do something that I don't think I would ever be able to do. They run into fire when everyone else is running out. So it was a great honor for me to transport them. If you do like this video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and I'll try to produce more content like this. I know I have some more things coming up, and I'll be making videos and posting those as well. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video.
DoubleTree loaded up. IAFF in town. These men and women spend their lives answering the call. Today, I got the wheel. Now, let's roll. Yeah. Pull up to the DoubleTree, diesel growling low. Door swings open now, alright y'all, let's roll. IAFF badges, firefighters on deck. From departments nationwide, earning that respect. Texas sun cooking, heat coming off the ground. But that Motorcoach cold when we roll through town. Air brakes hit, psh, put that bus in drive. 45 feet of American steel comes alive. Entertainment district, yeah, I know this run. Rolling through mountains underneath that sun. AT&T standing like a king in the sky. Globe Life Field as the big coach rolls by. Hands on the wheel, got my eyes on the lane. While behind me sit the ones who run toward flames. Different cities, different stations, different names. Blowing at a alarm starts screaming. They all answer the same. They say smoke, they say fire. Walk through hell when those flames climb higher. When everybody else is running away, they gear up and run straight into the blaze. They answer the call when the whole damn world barrel backs away. Boots hit the ground, sirens screaming, they're running straight into the blaze. Hey, now we're rolling through Texas, big wheels underneath their sky. DoubleTree to the entertainment district, got the bravest along for the ride. Yeah, they answer the call every damn time. East Coast, West Coast, North and South, different station number, same pride in the house. Big city, come on, there's a hometown cruise. Different colored engines, but the mission stays true. Union strong, IAFF. Years on the job and they burn their respect. They carry their hose, kicked open those doors, seen things most folks ain't prepared for. But today ain't smoke, today ain't flames. It's Texas sunshine and convention name tag. So kick back, firefighters, I handle these streets. You spent your careers looking up for folks like me. Mirror check left, mirror check right. Watch that tail swing, keep the clearance tight. Traffic stacking up, man, I'm used to that. Drop one crew off, then I'm circling back. going down. DoubleTree, Arlington town, air brakes, diesel growl, big coach rolling now. AT&T, there it stands, Globe Live, Texas land, IAFF, riding with me. Let's run it again. Round after round and I'm running that route. 5 crews in and another crew out. Afternoon shift underneath the Texas heat. 45 feet moving steady through the streets. Convention going strong, everybody having fun, but my clock keeps moving and the shuttle keeps running. Hotel to the district and back. Big diesel humming underneath the country rap. I ain't got a ladder, ain't driving engine 9, ain't carrying the hose and ain't fighting fire. But I got one job while you're riding with me. Get everyone a job where you need to be. Safe and sound, every trip, every mile. That's the promise from the man behind the wheel tonight. Somebody's daddy, somebody's mama, somebody's brother, sister, son, or daughter. When that midnight radio says somebody needs help, they leave the people they love and put that uniform on themselves. No cameras needed, nobody cheering their name, just somebody trapped inside, and somebody willing to walk through the flame. That's why today I'm damn proud to give them the ride. They answer the call when everybody else backs away. Sirens screaming, red lights flashing, they're heading straight into the blaze. Now we're rolling through Texas, big wheels underneath that sky. DoubleTree to the entertainment district, got America's bravest along for the ride. From the firehouse to Arlington, from the engine of my motorcoach, different wheels, different roads, same pride. IAFF, answer the call. Tomorrow they might be back home, back at the station, back on the engine, back answering somebody's worst day. But today, kick back, enjoy the convention, enjoy Arlington. I got the wheel, and to every firefighter who stepped aboard my coach today, to every IAFF member here in Arlington, and to firefighters everywhere, for the long nights, missed birthdays and holidays, for leaving your families to protect somebody else's, for walking into places the rest of us are trying to escape. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your sacrifice. And thank you for everything you do for the communities you serve. Nothing but respect. From the driver's seat, welcome to Arlington, Texas. It's been an honor giving y'all the ride.